look at the team. What about this forward pack from the Hurricanes, Sam?
Yeah, the Hurricanes have made a fair few changes to their forward pack this week. New look starting front row with Muffy Leo at loose head, O'Reilly at hooker, Pasilio Tossi at tight head. Ben Grant makes his debut in the number 4 jersey, and look out for powerhouse number 7, Duplessis Karifi.
Yeah, and in the back line, you can't go past TJ Perenara and Jordy Barrett. They say it's a bit of a fortress here in Fiji to win here, and if they're going to get any, if they're going to get a win tonight, I think it's going to come from those two All Blacks.
And for the Fijian Drua, well, they're fresh from a bye, and this 9 and 10 combination is going to be very interesting. But what about Victor Akanabare? He is captain, and it's a special moment for him already because he became a dad for the very first time today.
Oh, congratulations to Big Tex. I've got no doubt it'll be extra motivation because I'll need that in the front row for the Drua with head-to-head. Ikanavere, as mentioned, and Donga. They have a big job coming up against one of the best scrums in the competition. But it's great to see Nasila Silla back from injury in the number 4 jersey, partnering Rodui Solia. Number 8, Tanaka Ivata gets a start with Dere Nalangi coming off the bench.
Yeah, and in the back line, new combination at 10 and 12 with young Esikili Rabitu getting his first start at number 10 and Kemu Valetini at 12. They might look to use the ball a bit more instead of the crash and bash that the Drua have used in the past. And we can't go past the 2 boys from Taviuni, Iosefo Masi at 13 and Celestino Rabutamanda. They play even better when they're in front of their crowd.
And it is a bumper crowd. It is a sellout. The weather's been pretty good for Suva today. A few showers passing through from time to time. The Prime Minister, Sirini Rambuka, sent out the word today to say that everyone is pretty much allowed to take the afternoon off. Only in Fiji, all non-essential civil servants can take the afternoon off, according to the Minister for Women, Lydia Damboya. Here's the welcome for the Hurricanes, led out by Brad Shields. They've won 5 on the trot away from Sky Stadium in Wellington. Their best winning run since they won 7 in succession on the road. This crowd is already deafening in Suva. The Fijian Drua back in the nation's capital for the first time in a year. Don Waianga and Mike Winter on the touchlines. Game on in Suva, first time in the capital in 2024. Sellout crowd, pretty good conditions, and it is the Drua. Karifi taken. They come to play. He's Rayasi. He kicks over the top, and the chase is on. Knock on advantage, and then it pops up to Billy Proctor, and it is a try to the Hurricanes. To throw into the line-out, the new dad. And he finds Nasila Silla at the back down to Tanaka Vata and Celestino running onto the ball. 25 out. Kanabali. Gurubali. Tanaka Vata. Karifi trying to hold him up. Ballatini, no Vota this week. Emma Ballatini out there, only for his goal kicking as well as his general play in the 12 jersey. Here's the captain tonight, Kanabari. Patet. Ballatini and Maxi. The ball on the inside was an absolute gem, and what about that?
Rapito, that was outstanding. Beautiful ball on the inside.
Fine. Set. Hold.
Perenara puts it in, and they go to the short side. Try! So they've hit back immediately.
Bind! Set!
Perenara wants it down the short side. Gives it to Morgan Rayasi. Taken there by Kuravoli, first of all.
Advantage, three blue
Advantage being
offside.
played here, so they can have a crack here and then come back if they need to. And here we go with Barrett. Geordie Barrett backing up brilliantly. They had the advantage. They didn't need it. They've taken five, soon to become seven.
TJ, keep moving, please.
O'Reilly finds Grant, the man on debut in the 4 jersey. Just getting a bit of momentum now. O'Reilly has it at the back. He breaks away and he's going to go across pretty much untouched. Perfect timing as well for the Hurricanes. They score on the stroke of half-time. That's their 4th try. So Aidan Morgan looks like something from Phantom of the Opera at the moment. And he adds the extra 2.
James, one more.
Second half underway. Hurricanes looking to remain unbeaten in 2024. Canaveri goes to the back to Nasilasila. They set it up for the rumble. They're getting very close. They're over the line. They get the try. Perfect hit back from the Fijian Drua. Mira straightens. Matawalu, the counter theory. There's the mistake. So after all that, it comes to nothing.
Okay, and he's upright. It's on the yellow card threshold.
Yeah, agree.
No. Go on, Steven. Nah, not for me. Seven's always upright. He makes contact with the head, with the shoulder. Yellow card and not field review. 7. Boy!
Matawalu. They hold it at the back. Now, oh, he's getting very close. They're claiming a try, but it's still play on. Oh, here we go. He's gone to the pocket again.
Slow down.
Oh, this would be a
Just
game
slow down.
changer.
Just slow down.
If there's
Slow down.
another
Slow down.
yellow card.
Guys, I've got him clearly leaving his feet, diving over. 5 black. Okay, just making sure there's no clear knock on there that I'm missing before that happens.
It's short.
Just checking
Yeah, I get him
upstairs
short.
with the TMO, Richard Kelly.
And then
No knock on.
Isaiah
Yeah.
Walker-Lerawiri. The
And
Fijian
it's
might be
number 5.
yeah. Brad,
in trouble
all right,
here.
listen, just watch me. Timo's cleared it. He's short. There's no clear knock on. 5 has dived over, left his feet. It's a yellow card. No, it's not.
2 in the bin. 28 to 12.
We're going to scrum.
Keep an
James.
eye on
We're
the
gonna scrum.
scoreline.
2 forwards in the
Here's our
bin
mark.
and the Drua have opted for the scrum.
Really good. Let's go, guys. Bind up.
This is huge for both teams.
Can you get him moving, please, James?
A massive opportunity for the Drua to be able to
Really good
get
last
back
one.
into this
Really
game
good.
against 13 men.
Here we are.
Well, then you get to see an opportunity for the Hurricanes to show
It's good. It's good.
why they've been so
yeah.
good throughout this
Remember,
whole
left feet.
season.
They see it.
Character, all those
Control
moments that you
weight,
train
please,
for.
Control the weight.
They're digging in for your mate next to you. This is where it's going to be shown right now.
Well, Scott Barrett will be pretty happy to see his brother Geordie packing into the scrum, on the side of the scrum at least. Matawalu puts it in. Danakai Vada's going to have a run from the back of the scrum. 1 out stuff, and it spits out the back. And Matawalu! The referee wants to have a look.
Is he? Held up. What have you got? Held up? Okay.
They're going to have a look. I think I heard Paul Williams
I've got the
ask
ball
Paddy
held up.
Matawalu.
I don't have it clearly on the ground.
I'm
So
sure he would tell
therefore,
him.
on-field decision is going to be no try, held up. Just confirm that for us, please, mate.
Okay, on-field decision. No
Yeah.
try held up. I'll just
Yeah.
check for a grounding.
Yeah.
Just try and get us the ball on the ground, please.
So did he get it down is the key. Oh, it's close.
Do we have any other angles?
Something clearly on the ground. Just let us do our work, please. Jack,
Yeah, just roll through some more angles, please, if you've got some.
5 metres.
Or is this your only angle?
So again, it was Stana Kaibata from the back of the scrum. Popped out there for Matawalu, and
You think he's offside? Okay, 18 looks all right there. I don't have him clearly offside there.
struggling to see the ball on the
Thanks,
ground.
back to the ref. Report's inconclusive, so stay with your on-field decision.
Okay, so held up and goal line dropout.
Correct.
Yeah, okay.
No
Held
try.
up, goal line dropout.
Oh, then Mummel goes without it. Went backwards, fortunately for the Drua. The Hurricanes pile in, and now they get the penalty. Wow. No problem with the distance. And the direction is spot on as well. They have stepped up to the plate yet again. Geordie Barrett. They've contained him. They've shut down so many of the Drua's strike weapons.
Away now, boys.
Penalty. And he's got to go to the pocket, so another yellow card.
Too many.
Good take. Walker Leawuri. Straight back to O'Reilly, who scored one try already. There's momentum there for the Hurricanes. This could be incredible. The ball ripped away from him, and it is a try to Xavier Numia. Oh, yeah.
Coming over to Suvan and the way they won this game.
And the conversion is successful. So they left it too late to get the bonus point, but they got there. Just the one try at the second half, but it was more than enough because they had that very handy lead at half-time by 28 points to 7. Drua had plenty of opportunities, but just couldn't nail them. So 38 points to 15.